The gap between the energy California uses and what it produces grows larger every year. As California pushes to maintain a healthier environment, solar and wind energy are rapidly becoming major players in the renewable energy arena. Throughout the entire U.S., more than 74,000 megawatts of power is generated by wind turbines. President Obama is calling for a long-term commitment to wind energy and other variable energy sources. It is believed that by the year 2030, 20% of all electrical power will be generated by the wind. Wind turbines are becoming more complex, and new, smart wind turbines are truly efficient in capturing the energy of the wind. However, the increasing sophistication of energy-generating wind turbines coincides with the lack of qualified advanced repair technicians. Electronic and mechanically inclined workers are urgently needed to fill these skilled positions as the wind turbine industry grows exponentially. Estimates are that at least one certified technician is needed to service every 10 megawatts of wind turbine energy generating capacity installed. In January of 2009, Shasta Community College offered its first utility-scale wind technician course in Northern California. Through its Economic and Workforce Development Program, the entry-level Wind Energy Apprentice course prepares students in the wind energy industry. Taught by industry professionals, the course is designed to prepare students in the wind energy industry with classroom instruction, hands-on lab classes, a safety and first aid boot camp, along with on-site field trips to a working wind turbine farm. Students in this particular course learn the basic skills and principles of wind technology, wind energy anatomy, airflow characteristics, and blade efficiency, as well as general wind terminology, including parts, tools, and the components of the wind turbine. It also covers the fundamentals of hydraulics, basic theory, and practices of electrical circuits, including calculations applied to interpret schematics and troubleshooting. And all classes are taught by industry professionals. An equally important component to the course is a first aid and safety boot camp. Because working conditions are often hazardous, the wind industry is committed to ensuring that health and safety are its first priority. Wind technicians often deal with extreme environments and adverse weather conditions while in tight quarters at tremendous heights of nearly 30 stories. This is a career choice that is definitely not for the faint of heart. With the growth rate rapidly approaching 30% annually, it's anticipated that at least 12,000 new technicians will be needed soon.
With the emergence of wind technology and green power here in this new era, I felt it best to get in on the ground floor of this technology and be a part of changing the way that we use energy in the United States.
The Shasta College Workforce Program is designed to give each student a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to become a skilled and employable wind turbine technician, filling the ever-growing need of green careers.
The electrical is pretty complex in these modern machines, and the mechanical is fairly complex too. So there's a lot to learn, a lot of subject matter to absorb, to work safely and efficiently on the wind sites. And a course like this gives students a huge leg up on other students. And the technician of today is much more highly skilled than a technician of 20 years ago because of the electronics involved.
The American Wind Energy Association has recognized that the industry has expressed a tremendous need to identify the skills required in becoming a wind turbine technician. The AWEA has taken the first step in giving the seal of approval to training programs at community colleges around the country. And Shasta Community College is in on the ground floor, fulfilling the ever-growing need for green careers, leading to a more technologically advanced, environmentally sustainable, and prosperous future.
The Northern Rural Training and Employment Consortium and the Workforce Innovation and Regional Economic Development provide support for information technology, agribusiness, agritech, advanced manufacturing, healthcare, as well as the encouragement and development of renewable energy entrepreneurs. The mission of the Economic and Workforce Development Division at Shasta College is to provide quality services and programs that benefit the community, as well as employers and employees of the region, thereby contributing to a better quality of life, the local economy, and a more flexible and well-prepared workforce, including a green, sustainable workforce.